Hey Alex, good morning. This is Lucas again. I apologize for the other video. I thought you guys were serving Seattle as well because on the website you were buying the leads they said you guys were doing it. But since you told me that you guys just deal from Marysville up north to the Canadian border, I made a little extra research on that area. I've noticed that in Burlington and Mount Vernon, you don't really have much volume. But anyways, you're not at the top as you think in those anyways, okay? Burlington also is other places in different states called Burlington too, and they're usually sending to those more because they're more population, all right? So the area with the most search volume that you have is Bellingham, and when you go to the Google search and you type tree removal Bellingham or tree trimming Bellingham, as you can see here, you're not on the top of the mic pack, all right? And you're not on the top of the mic pack here either, all right? So this is the most important part when you want to be in the top here and here, all right? If you want to get the most customers. As you can see here, these guys, the earthwork service for tree removal, which is the one with more volume, the guys are here and here as well. Then for tree trimming, they're not up here, but they're definitely up here. All right. And as you can see, your website is not on the first page here for tree removal. It's at the bottom of the second page right there. And for tree trimming, you're not on the first page. And you're like in the middle of the second page. All right. So this, you would like to be at the top ideally if you want to get the most business, okay? Because this is the difference. Your website, okay, you're looking good like the other one as well, no problem. Then this guy's his website, all right, the Earthworks Tree Service, that guy's at the top. If you put it on Ahrefs and you compare websites, all right, you can see the difference in traffic from 7 to almost 200, all right. Again, these are estimates. They kind of make like an average, but they're pretty accurate, all right. Then you can see that these guys have 244 backlinks coming for 31 different domains, ranking for 66 keywords. Okay, and you can see here they're still low quality, but at least they're up here. Okay, so it won't be very hard for you to beat this backlink profile. But if you notice your backlinks, you have almost 2,300 backlinks. All right, but if you go down, you see that most of them are low quality. Google, when you do this and also so many in such a short period of time, like here, this takes it as a spam. So they shoot you up a little bit once you first do them, but then you will stay right there, and with time, maybe even going backwards, because if this is creating a lot of backlinks every day, because they're like spamming them, like one of your domains, that is counterproductive, all right, for you. So just so you know, this is the area you want to be ranking at the top in Bellingham, okay? Either for tree removal or tree trimming, which are the two with most volume, but also tree service or stump removal and stuff like that, they have some volume too. So those are the ones you want to go after, okay? I'm sorry that the other video didn't provide you with the value I was expecting, but I hope this one does. All right? You have a great day, man. Thank you.